Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza if you're new around here. Today is going to be a bit of a kind of clean with me, tidy up with me after the weekend. Last night the boys stayed up late watching football, which was really lovely. They just really enjoyed watching it. And then also today they've gone into school. Orlando's actually gone down to his nanny's to spend the morning there, which is really nice, so I can kind of catch up on cleaning and tidying up. Mark is about as well, so I think he's going to help me out with a few things. So yeah, it's going to be good. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Right, so the first room I'm going to tackle is the playroom, because Orlando and the kids were in here this morning and obviously there's just stuff everywhere. So I'm going to tidy this room, mainly just putting the toys away, all of that kind of stuff, but they've kind of got everything out as usual.
So don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away.
So before we get any further into the video, I wanted to talk to you about a brand that I've been working with recently, and it's called Blueland. This is such a clever way to save money on your cleaning products. So I've been using these products for a little while now, and these are all made with a little tablet, like a cleaning tablet mixed with your water, and you've got all of your cleaning products. If you're looking to save money, if you're looking to be a little bit more sustainable, then this is definitely the way to go. So basically what you do is you buy the bottles once and then you get the refills, so you just keep buying the refills rather than buying multiple bottles all the time, like each month when you finish your cleaning bottles. So I've actually got the Clean Essentials kit, so that's got 4 reusable bottles and plastic free refills. You also save 20% versus buying like the individual starter sets, and then the refills are packaged in compostable paper, which is really fab. So the first thing you want to do when you set up your Blueland cleaning products is you want to use some warm water to fill the bottle up. So I'm going to start with the foaming hand soap. I'm just going to fill this up with some warm water. Then what you want to do is you grab your tablet and then you just drop it into the bottle. Then all you need to do is wait for the product to dissolve, and then you can use it within a few minutes. So I'm going to fill the other 3 up now, and then in this video I'm going to show you how I use them.
So don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control.
So if you'd like to try Blueland out, then use my code here for 15% off your first kit, which will be amazing. Let me know how you get on. These smell so beautiful as well. So let's get on with the rest of the video and get cleaning, shall we?
Oh, baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away, yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, oh. So don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, oh, baby, I love the rush. It overflows.
Okay, so the next area I need to give a little spruce up is the entryway. So I haven't like dusted any of this for so long. I haven't even cleaned the mirror. I can't remember last time I did it. So we're gonna do that right now.
But I love the rush, yeah.
Okay, so that is the entryway all done now. Let's go into the living room.
You know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. It got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went too far this time. Come a little closer. There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby. Please don't walk away. I love you and I, yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and I, yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and I, yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know.
Okay, so Mark has done the stairs for me, which is really lovely, and now I'm going upstairs to do Vinny's bed because I haven't changed it yet, so I need to do that today. So my last task is in Vinny's bedroom. Also, I don't know if I've shown you those prints yet. I think I might have. I still need to put those on the wall. So let's change his bed, shall we? My favourite job. To be fair, this is much easier than our bed because our bed is huge now.
Like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been into places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all.
Okay, so that is Vinny's bed all made. Not completely crease free, but it's fine, it's clean. So now I need to take this stuff down and pop it in the washing machine. What are you doing in here? Mark's now in the boot room again. He's taking all the skirting board off.
Bit of skirting.
Ready for the floor. We did speak to the tiler the other day regarding the tiles in the boot room, and he can do it, but he can't do it for a good few weeks. So we're just prepping the room. He said he was going to come one day and help you do the screeding when Mark does underfloor heating. And I think we have decided to move the radiator over there. The reason why we're going to go for a radiator is just in case the floor ever goes wrong, because it can go wrong and has gone wrong before with us, hasn't it? And also, like, you know, coats in the winter and stuff, we can just pop it behind the door there, and we can just pop them on there, you know, if it's been a rainy day.
We might as well just put it there.
Yeah,
It's there.
it's a good little backup, I think.
I'm gonna cut a trap under the floor, so
Yes.
then it's all easy for the plumber then.
Yes, then we need to get a plumber out.
And all the carpet. I'll leave the carpet down there for a minute, because obviously you've got all the gripper rod and that's well sharp that stuff.
Yeah.
So we just leave all that down.
And also we need to bring the coats back in here because it's not really going to be like this. Well, it's going to be like this for a few weeks, I think.
Yeah, we can bring that back in there.
I do need to order the tiles, but then the tiles, like, we're still deciding on the size, right? But I think the small tile will actually be that size there that you can see.
That's 300, that's way more than 300.
What, deep?
300, if you went on the wall, 300 is like... Oh, there, wouldn't
Oh, really?
I reckon.
Your shoes are squeaking.
Oh, that's really weird.
You've got little mice in there.
There's a little air hole in there, isn't
Air
there?
pocket, yeah.
Like,
They need replacing, I think. They're quite old. Okay, so those are all of my chores done for the morning. So the playroom is much tidier now. Looks a lot better. The floors are clean. I also changed Vinny's bed. I sorted out the entryway and also the living room. So yeah, I think that is me done for the morning. I'm gonna go make myself a cup of tea and some lunch now. But I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Blueland and use my discount code. I will leave everything in the description box below for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do.